Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2021 Kenworth, folks, T370 PX9 engine with an Allison automatic transmission, 154,000 miles, 14,006 front end with 315 front tires, 40,000 rear with a 12,000 lift axle on this unit, folks. Beautiful unit. 25 foot by 102 steel bed, universal mounting kit on the back. This truck has 154,000 miles on it. Beautiful truck, folks. Carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. Refurb, steel outer rim, 80% to new, tires all the way around. Beautiful unit, folks. Completely turbo blasted and primed, repainted underneath. Kenworth 2021, 154,000 miles. Beautiful unit, folks. Air ride seat. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. 154,000 miles on the odometer. Automatic transmission. 330 horsepower. Beautiful unit. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.